So today, guys, I decided to do a sleek ponytail on my hair. So let's get into it. These are all the products you will need. Very simple hairstyle, oldie but goodie. That's the weave I'm using. You see it's the middle parts. And I'm gonna start just slicking my hair back and putting it up into a ponytail. So the ponytail is gonna be a higher up ponytail, not low, because I hate it when my hair is low. And it's kind of hard to get my hair all up into a ponytail, so you're gonna see me basically trying to maneuver it all up. Oh yeah, I had to fix my eyebrow real quick. So I'm brushing the back up first using some Shine Jam, which I did not mention in the things that you'll need. And that's Eco. You're gonna have to use a lot for this. Then just doing the other side. So I just slicked the left side down, and now I'm working on the right side. And just trying to get it all pulled back into a sleek ponytail. This took quite a bit of time. So now I'm just gonna braid my ponytail down into one big braid. And secure it with the rubber bands. Yes, that was a lot of work, y'all. And then I'm just gonna put another band on my hair to make sure it's tight and secure. Brushing a little more and adding that Gorilla Snot, some freeze spray, got to be glue freeze spray. And then you just start basically pinning the weave track onto the bottom part of your ponytail. And you can start anywhere on your ponytail, but I just started at the bottom and then just started wrapping it around. And every so often, put a pin. Wrap it, put a pin. Wrap it, put a pin. We'll wrap it a few times and then put a pin. So the rest of the video is pretty self-explanatory. I'm gonna let some music play and you can just sit back, relax, and watch the final product. see, my hair still looks good, slicked down nice. Ponytail still is holding up pretty well. And it still is holding in there, it looks good. So, if you like the final product and you like what you see, and you want to see more hair tutorials like this one, or just cute hairstyles that are quick and easy for natural hair, just click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and yeah, tune in, subscribe. All right, bye.